Hi, so today I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about how to use GarageBand. Here we go. I'm going to click on the app and not that. So we're going to go to My Songs and we're going to click this little plus sign, which is to create a new song. The first step that I like to choose to make a new song is I like to start with a beat. So I'm going to click on drums. And then here we've got our full little drum set, and I'm just going to lay down a really nice little beat, and then we can record other layers on top of it. So here we go. Alright, so that's our little beat. It's okay if it's not perfect. Let's click on this button right here. It'll bring us back to the front. Move that little cursor back. We can listen to this. Alright, so again, not perfect, but good enough for today's purpose. The next thing I'm going to click on is this little plus sign to add a new track. So we've already got drums. Let's put down a melody. So I'm going to click the keyboard. We're going to use Row, Row, Row Your Boat because it's a nice, simple tune that everyone knows. So this is on grand piano setting. You can change what type of piano it is if that's something you're interested in, but I'm just going to leave it on grand. I'm going to click this little record button, and we're just going to, first we have to move our little cursor back to the start, so we're recording, starting at like 0, measure 1, and we're going to record it right over top of the drums, so we can hear our beat while we're recording. So here we go. Alright, so awesome. Let's look at it here. So you can see it's about the same length as the first one, which is what we want it to be. We're going to click, let's bring our cursor back to the start, and let's listen to the two together. Awesome. So good enough. Again. So we're going to bring our little cursor back to the start one last time. We're going to click our plus, and let's add some vocals. So let's find our vocals. Look, we have all these awesome other tools that we could use, but we're not going to use today. I'm going to click on our vocals. Here we are in our little recording studio. I'm going to click the record button, and again, record right over top of those other two. I'm just going to sing along the melody, and yeah, that's about it. Let's hear it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Alright, let's see it. Let's listen to all of it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Awesome. So, that's not what we wanted to do. Okay, there we go. You can stop it. Bring it back there. You can see we accidentally just added this little dude right here, which we didn't mean to do. So all I have to do is click on it again and hit delete. Perfectly easy. So, that's pretty much it. This could be the end. If we wanted to, we could add more tracks. If we wanted to do some like kind of looping, I could click this again. It would give us another track. We could take this, for example, copy it, paste it. What's she doing over there? That's not what we wanted. Let's paste it right. We gotta put our cursor there. Paste it right here. There we go. And then if we wanted, we could kind of listen for where, if we wanted to do like a little loop, like a round. Let's listen. So row, row, row your boat. So I think it would start there. So I'm gonna just bring this and put it right. You just have to zoom in a little bit. Right there. So let's listen and see if that works. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So you can tell it's a little bit off, so we can just bring our cursor back and bring it over one more. Let's try that. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. It's still a teeny bit off, but it's getting closer, right? So let's just bring it over one more little tad. All right, and let's try that. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So, as we were saying before, not perfect, but a great way to get a little introduction to GarageBand and some of the functions it can do. So thank you for watching. Thanks for putting up with row your boat a few times. And I hope you enjoyed learning how to use GarageBand.